Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan. Now the car is a 1.5 litre TSI Match Evo 150 PS. Now the car is a real head turner and it's got the spec to match, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, silver roof rails, a rear view camera, hill hold control, a radar sensor control distance monitor, park assist, lane assist, and these 19-inch Victoria alloy wheels. Now the boot is absolutely massive and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has an 8-inch colour touchscreen, 3-zone climate control and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information feel free to phone, email or pop in to Weston Volkswagen Newbridge.